guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are at Anointed Nation's last parkour for the year. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be showing you guys what's here. It's a liquor turnout, and I think in today's video I'm going to be dropping the car for you guys. So if you don't see it, then just know I just got busy and did it. Anyways, I'll show you guys what's here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah guys, I apologize in advance for the wind noise, because there is a bit of wind here. But yeah, let me start my walk around, show you guys what's here. Hope you guys enjoy. Look at this thing. It's nice. Nice fiesta over here. Seven Owners Club. Nice. There's Blowjob version 2 apparently. Nice. Lekker front seats in here, no? Nice. Corolla. Is it? Quantum, yeah. Escort over here. The back is a massive sound system. Yeah guys, I hope you guys can hear me. They are performing here, so I'm expecting the police or traffic, so someone to show up, because these guys are just performing unnecessarily. But now yeah, cars over here. This thing's big, and this thing's big. I don't know if you guys can hear what's happening here in the background, but yeah, that's not liquor. This car looks very familiar. I don't know why, this red car. But now, yeah. That thing's boosted, guys. Like a turbo one. Ik mag ook klaarmaken, broertje.
Ja, sorry.
Shap, shap. Ja, ja, ja. Dit is een Audi. Diesel, I think. Of Renault. Just walk away from me. enjoyed today's video. I know it was probably short, and I walked through the cars really quickly, but yeah, that is just because there's too much going on, and by that I mean too much revving and spinning and stuff. So yeah, I actually just left now, and as I was leaving, a Ghost Squad car pulled up, so I don't want to be anywhere near that when those guys are there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you thought of the content. And also don't forget to stay tuned for the next one. So yeah, at the moment I am about to get onto the R300 going home. So yeah guys, I hope you guys all stay well, stay safe, and look after yourselves, eh?